Keep working, keep working, keep working. Don't stop. I'll put one of them up there. Put some small stuff in there. Load both of these on the tailgate. Try to put this old pressure washer up top. Almost done, guys. Bright and early. There's a table in here. I'm gonna bust the glass off. Throw it in my truck. Yesterday I busted motors up, broke them down. And today I am doing a street scrap mission. Anything metal must go. We're gonna bust this out. There's some metal right here. It's a motor. Throwing this in the truck. We're gonna turn this into a productive day, everybody. Starting from scratch. The bed's empty. Watch me fill this up, guys. Hammer, hammer, hammer time. We're gonna see what else is over here. Make noise, obviously. Okay, we take this off of here. Don't want to make too much noise. I should take this apart. That's how you get rid of the glass. And then we'll take the metal, toss it in the truck, and keep going. Early. I might take this apart real fast so it don't take up as much room in there. We're done with the hammer. Always close the door when you're done. They don't get mad at you that way. And don't leave a bunch of trash all over the ground. See? Glass is nice and cleaned out. Metal in there. I'm taking all the metal. Taking all the metal. I don't know what's in this thing, but it sounds like there's metal in there too. Old USB cords, anything like that can go. I need to get a knife and cut them that net up. This is a bunch of clothes. Old books. So mine must have moved out or something. Alright, I'll get more footage in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, this was on the end of one of my last videos. So I'm busting this down to make it fit a little better up in this corner. Pulled this one screw out. If you throw a grill in your truck, it takes up a lot of space. So when you bust them down, take a little less space. You got room for more crap in there. Pull the lid off, pull the sides off, maybe turn it upside down, I'm not sure exactly. There's the lid. Take my time and see what else we got here. Pull as many screws out as I can. This thing's barely standing as it is. There we go. So after all the motors I took apart yesterday, I had another pump motor, sud pump I believe. I had to pull that off. Copper took forever to get out of there. It was like a headache, honestly. Once you pull some Phillips out, this guy's gonna fall apart more than likely. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off and get more footage when I pick some more stuff up. Because I mean, how many screws do you guys really want to see me take out of here? Yes, I'm cleaning all that up when I'm finished as well. I'm in another spot. I got a tire rim. Wasted a full battery cutting it. Some metal blinds, and then the guys just gave me a big metal entry door. About to pull this out and load it up. I tried to cut another tire back there and it's taking forever, so I decided not to. This guy right here has some weight on it. It's all metal. We want it. Shoot. Try not to knock it farther back in there. Come on, entry door. You're coming with me, baby. This guy's pretty heavy. Look at me. I look crazy and sweaty. Sheesh. Get this loaded up. My truck's way over here. I have non-ferrous on my truck. It's not a lot, but it's a couple dollars. But right now, I'm just trying to put some weight on here, some steel weight. Now we bite this up in here. Strap it. Don't want it to fall. There we go. Now I need to fill this whole area up somehow. I only have a half a load really. It's really not that much weight in here. I got that bucket of copper, a little aluminum and stuff, so the non-ferrous is alright, but it's going to be a low payout. I'm kind of going to empty my bed right now is what I'm really doing. And I'll get footage when I get down there. Be there in about 6 minutes or so. Switch. Okay. I'm on the scale. It's going to be a low amount. Yeah. It's only probably like 400 or 500 pounds of steel total. Go throw this little bit of stuff out, guys. Quick trip to the yard. Make like $9 this time. I threw all that out without recording. It's not very much. Back to the scales, back to the scales. Yeah, we're looking at like 500 and some pounds. Go do this non-ferrous, guys. Not much, it's something. We are looking at 560 lbs. On my way to the non-ferrous. On my way to the non-ferrous. I don't know why I repeat myself. There's the Arrow Metals truck. It's the best scrap yard around here, to me, in my opinion. I'm gonna go cash this in without recording. So that was a low paying load. I knew that before I went. $66 in non-fares. 11 total motors worth of copper was $51.68. So the 3 hours I spent cutting all the motors up, I could have at least made $51 scrapping metal. Plus 560 pounds at 9 cents was a total of 110, 15, 16, 17. So I knew it wasn't going to be a crazy load, but that ain't bad. Working. YouTube, I got done early today. This is what we're doing. Taking Crazy Puppy outside. Mr. Milo. He's an Australian cattle dog. A blue heeler. Mr. Milo. Mr. Milo. Cattle dogs are kind of crazy. They're not good around other people. They're great with the family. But other people, they're not so good around at all. He's like a farm dog from West Virginia. It's my buddy though. This way, Mr. Milo. Come on, puppy, we're gonna go this way. Good boy. You guys are a good boy. One of my maintenance buddies messaged me. There's an air conditioner out front of this unit. I threw all my work clothes back on and flew out the door. Definitely want that air conditioner. I'm here now. I'm about to load that guy up and head back home actually. But it will give me something to do tomorrow for sure. Where is it at? Where is it at? Boom, there we go. Yeah, scrappers know what this is all about. Still has the radiator in there. Yes sir, we are loading this guy straight up. Absolutely. Tomorrow's scrap video, see that? It's all on there still. Tomorrow's video will have me cutting this up for sure. Grinding, even almost nighttime grinding. Yeah, you go get that AC as soon as you can, scrappers. You go get it right away. Good morning, YouTube. It's actually early afternoon. So, yesterday I recorded myself going to pick this up in the evening. I came to my storage unit and I was about to take the radiator out of this. Well, I got a phone call. I am going to Maryland Live Casino down Arundel Mills. It's like a half hour, 35 minutes from here. And going to a parking garage where I made a video in the past picking up steel. I'm gonna take all this out of my truck, put it in my storage unit, and then fly down there, is what I meant to just say. I threw some extra stuff in there in the evening. I just wanted to record this. I'm at a different place. Gotta hand unload all this. I'm not throwing any of the bags out. But yeah, this is what I do. Junk removal, concrete removal. I had to drive super far to get all this today. The not fun part is that I'm hand unloading. So that's a lot of concrete to hand unload, but money is money and I don't care about stuff like that. Let's get it. Cinder blocks are heavy. I think they're like 30 pounds a piece, but they also have concrete in these, so it's definitely some weight on here. This particular quarry or whatever yard has cheap concrete prices if there's no rebar mixed in there. If there was rebar mixed in there, it's like, I think $90 more. But this don't have it, so yeah. Hustling, hustling, hustling. As soon as I leave here, I'm going to do an apartment clean out in Baltimore County. And then I'm gonna try to go clean a house out later, but the guy is trying to like talk me out of doing it today. He said wait till tomorrow morning. I'm trying to do it today. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Don't stop. So yeah, I just wanted to get a little bit of footage, show you guys some of the other kind of stuff I do. It's hot out here, YouTube. Working. Hey scrappers, I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm in my house. I'm not in my scrap gear. I got my little flip-flops and all. Well, so this is like a change thing, obviously. I'll throw change in. Today I cleaned out my truck door that I haven't cleaned out since I started scrapping. And there's still a few more handfuls out there hidden under a bunch of like razor knives and stuff in my truck door. But this is from a full year of scrapping metal. Every time they give me money, I just throw the change in the door. This thing is so heavy. It's gotta be at least $40. At least. Probably more than that. Change, you don't think it's a lot, but when you start cashing it in, it adds up. And there's so much quarters in there too. Wow, that just came up like 3-4 inches. It's almost full. Yeah. Perks of being a scrapper. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a new day. Yesterday I did 2 junk removal jobs and I cleaned out 2 townhouses. One in Baltimore City, one in Baltimore County. Very, very hard work. My back's hurting from all of it. I wanted to show you I'm at the landfill throwing everything out. And so as soon as I get out my truck, whole bunch of brass. Definitely taking all that. They're not throwing that away if I'm here, I'm taking it. You're not supposed to go through everything up here, and I usually don't. But stuff like brass and copper, yeah, non-ferrous. I'm grabbing that. Working hard on Saturday. Everything must go, guys. Okay guys, I'm at the wall of metal at my storage unit. Got this yesterday. I'm gonna keep this wand probably, or at least the attachment and the little tips. So last year when I did the moped pickup video, I got all these parts with it that I still have. I haven't thrown them out. Well, I listed all this stuff on eBay. It's been like a year almost. It just keeps renewing on eBay. It keeps updating, reposting it. So I sold a control arm for a moped yesterday, which happens to be on the back shelf somewhere hidden because I moved from my old storage unit to this larger one. And I honestly don't remember where it's at. I gotta get in here, move all this, get back there, get it. Take it to the post office. I also have this 18-volt DeWalt drill I'm gonna send to this guy that watches my channel. I do appreciate everybody checking me out. It's in the back of my truck. It's an 18-volt in the case. We're sending that out to a dude up in Michigan. I appreciate everybody checking my channel out. Then I got a whole bunch of scrap metal to go pick up after that. I'm gonna be very busy today. I gotta get some gloves on and get started. I'll get more footage in a little while, bear with me. Today's Saturday, I'm supposed to be off today. Maintenance guy that gives me appliances told me to come over to this apartment, which is not too far from where I live actually. There's a whole bunch of appliances outside their maintenance shop. It's somewhere right over here. I've been here a long time ago. Arrived at Bayberry Road. Arrived. And there's a bunch of appliances outside. I'm gonna go load it all up. I emptied my truck earlier when I went to the landfill. Take these, and then I'm coming back probably Monday and getting more, or Tuesday. All right, YouTubers. So, made it to this maintenance shop. I'm taking all these appliances. 1, 2. I made a video here like 6 months ago or something. Hot water heater, dryer, refrigerator, some kind of tent, small refrigerator. Whoa. Oh, and then in here there's a bunch of locked up appliances. I gotta come back Monday morning or Monday afternoon. Oh, it's unlocked. So all these appliances. And like 6 months ago I came here and made a video, and the guy gave me, or maybe I didn't record it, I just took pictures. In this shed and in this shipping container is usually full of appliances, and he said I can come back later next week because the maintenance guys aren't here. Today's Saturday, and yeah, I'm gonna come get all of it. This one right here is very heavy. I wonder if it's holding water. I'm gonna try to put it back in this corner. Start stacking up. There's a bunch more that need to go on here too. I got crap everywhere. Let's get it, guys. Brass on the bottom. Fridge over here. That's like a tent or something right here, but it's got metal posts in it. Careful, careful. There we go. I'm gonna get these guys positioned up in there and get some more footage. We'll pull this off of here too. Moving right along. This little fridge. Somehow I'd like to get it on over this one. There's a washing machine back here. It'd be perfect right there, but I don't think I can just lift it by myself in there. I might be able to, but we shall see. Keep going, guys. There's a few more over there, and then that's it. And I can come back next week, like I said, and empty whatever they have stashed in there. Saturday, guys. This is one of those tent things. The bag's all moldy. It looks like it's been sitting for a while. It's got crickets all over it. Hopefully there ain't no mice nests or nothing like that in there. I'm gonna take this thing out and see exactly what all I'm dealing with. Oh, they got wheels. That's smart. Genius, genius, genius. These kind pull out, and when you find them in dumpsters, they're usually all bent up and cut up crazy. Yeah, the top's still attached. I'm gonna have to cut it off. I might have to get a razor knife probably and just start cutting. I didn't know they had locks on them. That's wild. Maybe it's a screw. But yeah, time to get this guy out of here. So I'll just cut all that off of there. Threw all the fabric and stuff here. And when I put this up there, I realized there was some metal in there. This is the base, I guess. Put these up top or at the bottom. I'm really not even sure. This is the last one. This one's heavy as crap. Yeah, I'm done for the week after this. Thank goodness. It's been a long week, to say the least. Sheesh. Thing's heavy. Load this heavy thing on here, put my dolly up, and go home for the weekend. And then Monday morning I'll empty this bed, and I got all this other stuff going on. I might be back down Baltimore City doing junk removal. Yeah, let's get it. I'm coming to my storage unit right now. I'm putting more on here. I have a full load in my unit as well. I might not do non-ferrous today. I might just get more space, basically empty my unit as much as I can. I'm not going to be able to fit it all on here, but I'm going to go load up, get some footage, and take it down the yard. I got some work to do today. Let's do it. Okay, so I put myself loading all this in here the other day. Obviously it's not all gonna fit on this load, but we are gonna start packing it on here pretty high if I can. Need to make a little room. Here we go. Let's take this mountain and put it right there. I'll get more footage in a minute, guys. Almost got it. I'll put one of them up there. Put some small stuff in there. Load both of these on the tailgate. Try to put this old pressure washer up top. Almost done, guys. Got 3 straps on there, so nothing shakes around or nothing crazy. We're gonna take this down there and cash it all in. Got a nice little hole in my storage unit. I'm not doing non-ferrous, I'll do that a different day. Busy man, got a lot going on today. Somebody just called me and said come get the stove, and I can't because I got a job to go do. I'm gonna put all this in there and head down there. I'm gonna go throw all this off and then go get paid and head out. No non-ferrous today. Don't have time. Look alive, scrap yard workers. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Cardboard. We made it. We made it. We made it. We're gonna throw this out fast. Probably not even getting a lot of footage. Everything has to go, guys. There's a big one right there. I'm gonna toss everything off and head out. I'm gonna stop recording so I can get this off safely. Dump that humongous load. Getting weighed again. I gotta grab the ticket. It's like 1,600 pounds, I think. And then go get paid. 1,640 pounds. Going to get my ticket signed and then get paid. My GoPro's not charging right. I believe it's the wire, because I always wind it up and put it in my pocket. I'm gonna have to get that fixed or get a new one actually. Whoops. Let me go get this ticket signed, guys. There's a whole boat right there. Get this ticket signed and then head out.
Turn left onto Ormond Road.
Okay, YouTube.
Then turn right onto Peninsula Expressway.
Real fast, I wanted to show you guys. It was 1,640 pounds. 50, 120, 45, 46, 47, 48, 148. Not bad at all for the first thing. Run in the morning, empty my bed as well, and then I'm on the way to a job. Time to work, time to hustle.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Kirkley Road. Then turn right onto Ormond Road.
Okay, YouTube. I did 2 full loads of junk removal in West Baltimore. I didn't record any of it. There's a big grease trap for restaurants and a big steel barrel in the back of my truck that was like neglected and just left in the alley, and the guy told me get rid of that as well. So I got one of them restaurant grease traps. It's all funky. I'm just gonna scrap it. And I have another job to do, but one of these apartments guys, property managers, told me there's 2 air conditions being replaced here. I'm on my way right now. If they're there, I'm getting them. I'm putting all this in my storage unit.
Turn right onto Ridge Road.
If the air conditions are there, 2 separate HVAC setups plus that, and then my unit will be full again. And I got some more work to do tomorrow before I can start scrapping everything. But let's go get it. Secure the AC unit, guys. There's only one. The techs took the one from the other unit. But we got room for one on here, definitely. This thing is so heavy. Oh, it's stuck. That makes sense. Still heavy. We're gonna load this up, take it to the storage unit. Then I got another job to go do. And there's a very bad rainstorm on the way. Okay, there's one part. There's an air handler, he said, all the way upstairs. I gotta get a strap. Go upstairs and get it. But nothing wrong with that. Probably take like 15 minutes. I will gladly take as many of these as they don't want. I was just thinking in the summer, you get plenty of these and then you don't get no more until next spring, I guess. So I'm gonna take every single one I can. There's a wild tomato plant, I think. Sure is. Growing out of the moth's bed. Air handler. Radiator's down in there still. It's all in there. We got one. They took the other one, but one's better than zero. Much better. We're on the top floor. We gotta go down there. Let's take it. Okay, here we go. This isn't very heavy, so luckily. We made it. Easy does it. There we go. One more step. That's cool, they got the wild tomatoes out here. I'm sweating so bad, guys. That's how you get a bunch of good scrap metal. Sometimes the HVAC guys keep them for themselves, and that I understand, you know. Hey, I wanted to show you real fast. This outside one, that's just a regular barrel, but that's a grease trap for a restaurant. Heavy duty one. It's disgusting. I'm just scrapping it for steel weight, but you know where they pour all their grease for, like when they make french fries and chicken patties or whatever, they throw it in there. It was the nastiest, funkiest crap in the world. But yeah, that's a first. Definitely a first. Let's go put this away, guys. Okay, I'll just push this in here. There's another one back behind it that's been there like 3 or so days because I've been so busy I didn't have time. I gotta load this guy in here and this big grease trap I'm worried about actually. This grease trap thing is so heavy, I'd love to just go get rid of it right now, but I can't. Not bad, leave it strapped on there, huh? I don't usually do that. Radiators, radiators, radiators. Yes, I could have just turned around and drug it in there a little farther, but that's okay, guys. This is working in between work. That's how you do it. I went to the scrap yard this morning, did 2 jobs, picked up more scrap metal, then go do another job. Hard work pays off in the long run. Come on, strap. I got big things to take care of, Mr. Strap. There we go. I'm gonna have to come break all these down one day shortly. I'm glad I came here this morning and took all that out of here, or I would be in trouble right now. Wouldn't have nowhere to put nothing. Actually, alright, I'm gonna take this big guy off of here and then probably be done recording for today because I'll go into a job afterwards.